Relax tayo mga kumare. Ano, Leslie? Nagkakamit? Watong gamit na to ito. Kaya magbalik na to. Wala na to.
Only at that time will Alaska bring arms and hands inside the boat, so until we get there, join us on the rocks, slide their ropes to the rings, and pull their boats up. Green black man, cowboy used in a lot of businesses for quite a while, which is the sun's big time. And it'll fall 100 feet until it reaches sea level, which we call the tidewaters. Canal locks, and they were opened in 1850. Going out, canal locks are like water elevators for boats. They were rectangular right in front of us. That red building used to be the old Watkins Copper hardware building. Now that building uses in 1849. It's got here the nickname of Henry Box Brown. He went to the Spanish American War. They discovered the dry docks because the trick ship notes. All the 200 years, all these buildings that you've been seeing running up. Okay, bring it back in. There we go.
Good, 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 good.
And we're coming back.